So for today's video, this beautiful piece of machinery. Bro, the headlights woke this thing up.
Really?
Looks totally different. It looks like newer, don't it?
Yeah.
Once I throw the grills in, bro, you can't tell me that people wouldn't think this is like a 2012. People would dead ass think this is 2012. Just throw the grills in. Probably slap an emblem on there. Call it a day. But yeah, I already. Hey, I just got out the hellhole for speeding, man. Huh?
That's understandable.
Go ahead, there, fun. These beautiful piece of machineries. I don't know when these will be installed, but they'll be installed at some point in time in this car's lifespan. Or I might leave that for the next owner to install. Who knows? But as for the charge pipe, so I kind of like assembled it halfway, pretty much by myself. Let's see if I did it the correct way. But put the clamp on there, boom. Put that on top, boom. 2 washers centered between this, and I think a vacuum line hooks up to this, if I'm not mistaken. And then after that, I think the math goes here. And as far as something to plug this shit up, I don't know.
You might need those.
It's like a screw. I don't know what size, but I can literally delete these, plug these in. I don't think they're needed.
I don't think they go to anything, but you do have to plug them.
For shit show. Alright, just got some duct tape. Call it a day. But I was talking to somebody and they said reduced engine power mode could be going on because of my throttle body. I don't know, man. So far my man's turning this and got the intakes off, man. Right now we're working on getting the whole charge pipe out as a whole. This probably been the cause for my check engine light. Other than this, we're gonna check the throttle body as well and see if that's been causing the bullshit as well too. There we go, out with the old. Ooh, broke that joint loose. Taking the mass airflow off. We're trying to bolt it up here and take a trip to AutoZone and try to see what size bolt we can put in here.
You can find a way to block it off.
We're gonna need an adapter for this hose to transfer into a smaller hose to transfer into the manifold. Yeah, that shit, to the vacuum line. And then also we need to find some bolts that's gonna thread into this shit. You know where we go to? Our neighborhood AutoZone. All right, guys, so we made it back from AutoZone. We got our lines. Forgot the rotor valve cap offs, so that's the only problem. Right now we're trying to get this thing to fit in there. Gonna be right back. All right, guys, so we got the blow off valve, got the charge pipe installed. Now all we need is to get some cap offs for the diverter valves. Install the intakes, and we should be ready to go. The MAF is plugged in, and we should be ready to start this bad boy and hear some nice that's gonna be awesome. Just to get the car started until AutoZone has the block off part that we need, we're gonna use some tape. Tape that up. We taped that up pretty damn good, and we did the top half as well. That's just until AutoZone give us the part we need. I got the part number, everything that we need to know what aisle it's on. We just need an hour until we come back there. We'll get it. Take the tape off, cap it off, use one of these band clips, the little ones, if you can see it. Boop. Put it on there, call it a day. But right now we're installing the intakes and we're just about done. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start this thing up. See if we have any leaks, any codes pop up or anything. Take it for a test drive. All right. evap leak. That's what that's for. And the other one was a boost circuit supercharger, A circuit too high. I don't know what the fuck that means, but I do know once you delete I heard once you delete the divider valves, you're supposed to gain more boost. So we're gonna take it for a test drive and see how it sounds. See if we hear the whooshy-washy turbo sounds, or see if we did this for preventative maintenance probably. It feels a little more healthier for the most part. Alright, so pretty much installing that was borderline pointless. Probably because of the blow-up valve I got. I was told to get a specific brand if I wanted to hear the turbo noises, but I more so just got it just because the charge pipe is preventative maintenance, because the factory ones tend to pop a lot. So yeah, it's one of those situations. But take a look at this pool. Now I'm going to ship the car at 5K because they're going to reduce engine power mode. Up top? Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I think up top it is faster than mine.
Yo, quick little update video. You know, new day. About 24 hours later, just about. I ended up getting the hose. I also ended up getting another clamp. Not gonna lie to you guys, the car sounds different, and a good different. I just need to figure out why the car keeps going to engine reduce power mode with no fucking codes. But other than that, if you're new to the channel, man, please give this video a thumbs up, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, without further ado, man, we are out. Peace.
As soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. As soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips, but I done gave out covers without me. You would be cold.